Tonight, COVID cases are up as the BA.5 variant spreads like wildfire.
I'm not feeling so great.
Experts call it the worst version of Omicron yet, now the dominant strain in the U.S., according to the CDC. It's not only more vaccine resistant, but it's also more highly transmissible than other versions of coronavirus. Experts now suggesting masking is still key, especially with summer travel in full swing.
What we know is that that is a place where the virus can spread. And that's why, especially in crowded airports, but on airplanes, I'm still wearing a mask. It's just a good way to protect yourself and to stop the spread to others.
New daily cases in the U.S. are now up about fivefold since March, but that's still far lower than the peak of more than 800,000 new daily cases in January 2022. Dr. Anthony Fauci, who just had COVID himself, echoing the importance of being vigilant.
When you're in an area where the infection dynamic is high, you should wear a mask in a congregate indoor setting.
But opinions on masking still vary.
I think it's a positive thing to bring back masks. I think it makes people a little bit more aware of themselves and keeping their germs to themselves.
You know, I think everyone has a different view on it. I believe in the man upstairs, to be quite honest with you.
With the subvariant on the rise, some parents are jumping to get boosters for their kids under 5.
We plan to get ours vaccinated as soon as we can.
But others are still hesitant, with the CDC reporting only 267,000 children under the age of 5 with a shot.
I think I want to wait a little bit, maybe just 6 months to see how things are and getting vaccinated afterwards.
In New York City, the hospitalization rate surging for the unvaccinated, according to the city health department, and more people flocking to testing sites.
Some people are showing symptoms, about 50%. And when they come by, some people are very surprised that they're positive. Others have a scratchy throat, some their nasal congestion.
I had a potential exposure last weekend.
Sebastian Reyes needs a negative test to get back to his summer internship.
I wasn't able to come into work like this whole past week.
The CDC warning that many Americans are under-vaccinated. Their message is clear.
Staying up to date on your COVID-19 vaccines provides the best protection against severe outcomes.
All right, Steven Romo joins us now tonight from Times Square. Steven, I know you were at a testing site earlier today. Were people getting tested because they were feeling sick, or they were sort of feeling that they were finding more people in their social circles were catching COVID again?
Well, for the most part, people we spoke to were getting tested because they had recently traveled. A lot of people were unclear on their symptoms, if they were just feeling a bit sluggish. So just to be on the safe side, they would encounter one of these testing site tents that we see here in areas like Times Square, just to be sure that they weren't carrying COVID with them right now. There is a lot of concern over that spreading subvariant, Tom.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.